Hey, did you hear the Consumer Product Safety Commission is sponsoring a national poster contest? Your poster could help people understand the dangers of carbon monoxide. CO kills a lot of people every year. Did you know that you can't see it or smell it? That's why they call it the invisible killer. Anyway, each of the 9 finalists will receive $250, and one of these finalists will receive an additional grand prize of $500. For more information, go to this website. The contest is open to all middle school students in grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. Make a poster, win prize money, and make a difference. Watch this short video about CO, and good luck!
Each year, more than 150 people die from accidental carbon monoxide poisoning associated with consumer products in the United States. Unlike fire or smoke hazards, when this deadly gas fills your home, you cannot see it or smell it. That's why it's called the invisible killer. Carbon monoxide, or CO, poisoning is often due to faulty, improperly used, or incorrectly vented fuel-burning appliances, such as furnaces, stoves, water heaters, and fireplaces. Indoor use of charcoal grills and portable generators are also commonly at fault. That's why it's so important to have a working CO alarm. CO poisoning can quickly incapacitate and kill victims. At first, it may feel like you have the flu. Early symptoms can include headache, fatigue, nausea, shortness of breath, and dizziness. At high levels of CO, symptoms can include mental confusion, loss of consciousness, and ultimately death. To help keep your family safe, follow these CPSC safety tips. Have all fuel-burning home heating systems inspected and serviced annually by trained service technicians. Install CO alarms with battery backup in hallways near each sleeping area. Test your CO alarms and replace the batteries every year. Never operate a portable gasoline-powered generator in or near an enclosed space, such as a garage, shed, or crawl space, or in your home, even if you open doors and windows to provide ventilation. Poisonous carbon monoxide from generators can kill you in minutes. Never use a charcoal grill in or near the house or garage. Never use a gas range or oven to heat your home. Don't let this poisonous gas catch your family off guard. For more information and tips on how to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning, visit us at cpsc.gov.